study lessons packs. Learn and practice English at home alone, fast and easy. Hi. Welcome to Simple English YouTube channel. Today we learn 20 exclamatory sentences examples in English. Read after me. High voltage. Do not touch. High voltage. Do not touch. How beautiful this city is. How beautiful this city is. He is such a kind person. He is such a kind person. You are such a liar. You are such a liar. What a cute squirrel cub. What a cute squirrel cub. What an idea. What an idea. Hooray! We won the match. Hooray! We won the match. What a wonderful gift. What a wonderful gift. I'm so angry right now. I'm so angry right now. What a rude girl she is. What a rude girl she is. There is a snake in the backyard. There is a snake in the backyard. What a colorful bird it is. What a colorful bird it is. You did a great job. You did a great job. Her car was so amazing. Her car was so amazing. What a good dog. What a good dog. This is such an amazing meal. This is such an amazing meal. I hate you. I hate you. What a cute child. What a cute child. Excellent. Excellent. Wait. That bridge is rotten. Wait. That bridge is rotten.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.